Coffee notes, aroma songs. The story begins. Armed with the double German glass, strong and ready to face high temperatures, the carafe is embraced by the stainless steel frame. The perfect coffee blend, strong enough to wake you up, yet smooth enough to spoil you, now rests in your cup. This may just be the only French press on the market to have a fully encapsulated stainless steel lid. Aroma is just around the corner. No more coffee grounds in your cup, all thanks to the 4-level filtration system. Discover a rainbow of flavors hidden in tea leaves and coffee beans. The structure disc keeps all grounds in one place, releasing essential oils and flavor. Enjoying a grounds-free aroma-filled coffee with your loved one will always improve your mood. Elegantly sitting on your cup, the uniquely designed spoon is the ideal detail to a flavored experience. Spoil your taste buds with a perfectly balanced coffee thanks to the BPA-free measuring spoon. Learn the art of coffee making. The instruction book is ready to tell the story. It might be small in size, but the coffee book is rich in flavors. Your very own ticket to Aromaland. Your friend for this adventure, the French press, is waiting to be tested. Who would you buy it for?
Gevi 025A drip coffee machine, designed to brew a perfect fresh coffee by a built-in grinder and the brew system control. The key point of this drip coffee machine: high quality stainless steel burr grinder that ensure the perfect size of the powder for the correct brew coffee, and the knob to select the size in 8 different positions. One advanced drop powder structure that reduce the quantity of the residual powder and also the healthy. In front, a LCD display for easy checking and the button for the brew functional control. 3 different straight for the coffee and 2 to 10 setting quantity of the powder. Also the button for programming the brew delay. The machine have the auto stop brew. We can move the mug and start to enjoy our coffee and put again the carafe in the position in the 30 seconds. The machine finish automatically the brew when finish the water, and the base keep warm for 2 hours our coffee for the perfect temperature and perfect flavor to enjoy the coffee. Auto switch after 2 hours. Also have the overheating protection. In case of overheating, automatically the system switch off the machine. Some more details about this drip coffee machine. A 200 gram coffee bean box with the sealant cover. BPA free material, handy and ambient friendly. Built-in water tank with a lateral window for easy checking the quantity of water inside and avoid overflow. On the side, the button to open the front door. A easy remove basket and a reusable net filter. Don't need to buy the expensive paper filter. A food grade borosilicate carafe, resist to height heating shock, and inside a spoon to fill our preferred powder. Very easy to use, just 7 steps to brew your preferred coffee. Enjoy your coffee with the Gevi coffee machine.